like what's coming in. Oh, it's a javelina. Javelina right here.
Besides for mule deer on this ranch, there's tons of javelinas. So I thought it'd be a good idea for Mr. Darren to try to shoot one with a crossbow.
Ready whenever you are. Good. Oh, right. I was just squeezing. There he goes. Okay. Ready? Oh my God. That was nice.
We had another exciting day of hunting out here. Maddie was looking for her buck today. This javelina came in, was scaring all the other deer away. They just couldn't get settled, so we decided to shoot him. I put a good shot on him, dropped right in his tracks like the deer yesterday. And Maddie's been patiently waiting for her buck. She had a good management buck come in, but we actually had a feeling that a bigger one was coming in, so she waited for that bigger deer. Didn't come in tonight, but I think she's gonna get him tomorrow morning.
I hope so.
Another good day of hunting, Maddie. I'm just glad to be here with you. Thanks a lot for having me out.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming out.
Crossbow Week is brought to you by Mission Archery by Matthews, Yukon Cold Locker by Igloo, Wildlife Research Center, Camo Buck, and Outdoor Hub. Want to win a free crossbow, Yukon Cold Locker, Camo Buck, or other great prizes? Click the link in the description below or go to highroadhunting.com.